Ready for an exciting back-to-school adventure? Dive into the mystery with the Principal's Lost Files, a thrilling printable escape room game. Can you solve it? The Principal's most important files have disappeared, and it's up to you to solve the puzzles, crack the codes, and figure out where the files are hidden. With 9 creative school-themed puzzles, decoder cards, and help cards, this game will challenge your detective skills from start to finish. Perfect for ages 9 and up, this back-to-school escape room game is great for parties, classrooms, or family game night. Play individually or in teams. No props needed, just print and play. Complete the challenge and win cool certificates. Can you solve the mystery before time runs out? The Principal's Lost Files comes with everything you need. 9 puzzles, decoder cards, answer sheets, and even 3 styles of winner certificates. It's all in a PDF format, ready to download instantly. Will you and your team recover the missing files before it's too late? The clock is ticking! Get your copy of the Principal's Lost Files today and start your back-to-school adventure. Are you up for the challenge? The link is in the description below.